shit, no lame shit. Trying to paper chase, I gotta look away and look right and gotta get it. Hey, gotta look right and look left, I gotta get it, baby. What the fuck is niggas out here really fucking insane? You ain't never my brother, you ain't never been up in the low. Have to tear it up, little nigga, you gotta drop low. Doing all that whooping to the bitch, but she don't know this low. I been outside trying to get it, you know what we on. Trying to get this Charlie shit on bad when you ain't got nobody looking for you though, but you was looking for them when they was down. Give a damn fuck like what you wanna do now. Been out here trying to get it, I been trying to ride, I can't look down no more. I gotta really slide, I got a 2-year-old daughter now, I really gotta fly. I gotta get it bad, I gotta move about the city, nigga, and gotta get this cash. Niggas wanna do all that loud talking, but where's the bag? Hey, and tell the bitch to quit looking for me, cause at the end of the day, I don't even fucking want it. I'm passing through you little bro, so quit speaking up on me. You heard me now and I can't even be stuck with you. That shit be all bad.